Hello again. In continuing my quest for the perfect Royal Guard Helm, I've been working on the nose guard here, and yeah, it's got a nice kind of subtle edging, hammered on kind of edge. Then the interesting thing is it has a raised spiral, just like the banding area, but in a different way. It doesn't bite in, it sort of sits proud. So yeah, I've been working on the nose guard again, just getting some distances. The distances on this and the angles were a little tricky, it has to be said. Now I'm working on these weird sort of gouges into the eyebrows, but in fact all this masking is completely wrong, and I have to come back to that again later. So this is disregard. Now moving on to the cheek guards, and they have a complex horse motif with a lovely sort of Celtic tail, just bending it into shape there and getting the booleans to the correct depth with the live function. Yeah, I'm just putting things into place. It was tricky getting that from the reference, and then getting it into the right position. Okay, so we've got the position and a bit of smoothing, and again, like the previous, it's looking pretty good. Get some edging on that cheek plate. There we go. Nice edging, and we're getting very close.